Assalamu alaikum student. This is your science lecture and today our topic is the vacuum flask. Vacuum means without air. When air is not present, the word vacuum is used. The other name of vacuum flask is thermos flask. This flask is used at homes. You have seen thermos flasks in your homes. This is used to keep things hot or cold. We basically used thermos flask for tea. We pour tea in thermos flask and the tea remains hot for a long time. Yes, why thermos flask or vacuum flask is used? A vacuum or thermos flask can keep drinks hot or cold for hours. The flask has a number of features which reduce the rate at which heat flows in or out of it. The function of thermos flask is to keep the drinks hot and cold. And how it keeps the drink hot or cold? This is basically based on its design, how it is designed. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि हम पीछे पढ़ चुके हैं कि चीज़ उस वक़्त तक ही गर्म रहती है जब तक उसमें हीट मौजूद होती है। जैसे ही हीट उसमें से बाहर निकलती है, रिलीज़ होती है, तो वो चीज़ ठंडी हो जाती है। सो थर्मस फ्लास्क इज डिज़ाइंड दैट it reduce the rate of flow of heat. You know very well heat flows through many ways like conduction, convection and radiation. Let's see how thermos flask is designed. First of all, it has two layers. This is inner layer and this is outer layer. These are made of glass or silver. Both these layers are covered with vacuum. There is no between these layers air is not present, and this area is called vacuumed area because air is not present. When air is not present, the heat will not flow through convection and conduction. As a result, the drink which is present in the flask remain hot. Second, the inner side of the thermos flask is painted with silver color, and you know very well silver or white color is good emitter, means it bad absorber. When it will not absorb much heat, the thing in the flask remain hot. And third, there is stopper. Stopper is made of rubber, and you know rubber is the bad conductor of heat. It also reduces the flow of heat through conduction and convection. Thus, three steps are used to design the thermos flask. One is stopper. Second, vacuum is present between two layers. And third, the inner side of the thermos flask is painted with silver color. These three ways do not let the heat flow outside, and thus the thing which is present in the flask remain hot or cold. These three steps are written here. The stopper reduces heat loss by convection and conduction. The space between the walls has the air removed vacuum, so heat loss by convection and conduction is reduced. The silver lining of the walls reduce heat loss by radiation. Did you know? The vacuum flask was designed and invented by Scottish scientist Sir James Dewar in 1892. Here is question: who invented the thermos flask? So this is its answer. The Thermos Company was the first to mass produce vacuum flask for everyday use. Test yourself. There are given some questions. You will try to give answer. Suggest why the vacuum flask is commonly called a thermos flask. You read this. Vacuum flask is called thermos flask because it keeps drinks hot and cold. Next question. Explain why a vacuum flask can keep drinks cold as well as hot. You have read these three steps which keep the drinks cold and hot. What is the function of silver lining in vacuum flask? As silver color is a good emitter, so it helps to keep the drink hot and cold because it helps to reduce the flow of heat by radiation. You will learn these questions from your notes. Thank you.